Good morning everybody, it's Saturday the 20th of January and we're open today 9 till 5, but I'm closing for lunch. You'll be pleased to know it's nowhere near as cold today as it has been. It's currently about 3 degrees, which is 6 or 7 degrees warmer than it was yesterday. However, there's a big gale coming tonight. Oh, it's true what they say about the British. We do like moaning about the weather. Don't forget guys, our sale is on. There's 15% off all our bikes. So you can save yourself an absolute fortune. These are some of the bikes in the shop. Here's some more. And here's even more. So today is an interesting day because I'm just going to go and shut the door. Can you follow me? Can you follow me? Can you follow me? Yes! Fantastic. So today is quite an interesting day in the shop. The bells, the bells! So today, quite an interesting day in the shop. I've got my usual social media stuff to do, and then I've got some really nice parts that I want to put on our eBay page because they need a wider audience. So that is my primary goal today, is to get the social media done, list a bike, and then get some of these nice parts onto eBay. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've got a couple of jobs that hopefully will be picked up. Right, let's get into it. First things first though, we did sell this Shimano 105 Retro derailleur yesterday on our website, so I'm going to get that posted so that gets to the customer nice and quick. Don't forget you can see all our parts and accessories on our website, www.CycleRecycleuk.com, and then just click on parts and accessories, and we've got all our not all of our tyres, we've got a lot of our stock is available to order, and we ship throughout the whole of the UK. So I'm going to get that done, and then I'm going to get on with the numerous other jobs I've got to do today. So I'll see you in a bit. So we get asked loads of questions, particularly by people who come into the shop asking how we photograph our parts and accessories. So I'll show you. We've got a little studio that sort of folds away, and then we just try and even it out, and then what we do is we place the item that we're going to photograph, and that's how we do it. That is how we do it. So we've got a couple of really nice things. We've got fizik carbon fibre saddle to sell. We've got this Fuji saddle's got a few marks on it, but I'm pretty sure they're titanium rails. I could be wrong. I've got these really nice Tornova Team 3T carbon fibre handlebars that I'm selling. I've got a Nuke proof Warhead handlebar, and then I've got a pair of Shimano 105 clipless pedals that we're selling as well. So that's how we do it. Obviously I can't show you how I do it because I'm using my phone to film this. However, I'm going to crack on with that, and then I can get that part of my day done. So these have just been listed. Took way longer than I hoped. I'll put a link in the description where you can see these if you're interested in any of them. There's like a really nice Velo saddle for Fuji. There's an amazing fizik carbon fibre saddle, Nuke proof handlebar, 105 pedals, and 3T carbon fibre handlebars. They're amazing. Right. On to the next job, which I think this morning is listing another bike. So I'm going to get on with that. Okay, I'm back from lunch, and things got a bit mental just before and just after lunch, so let me show you. Let's go through it. So, first things, we had this Rally P4000 donated by a gentleman who has had 2 hip replacements, so he can no longer ride it, so I'll be building that next week. Rally Avalanche just in here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's try it from above. Rally Avalanche. That got donated alongside the Rock FST, and the people who donated those, they also got £5 discount on a bike carrier. So I just had some customers come and pick up their jobs. So I'm going to get this video made, I think. I've just listed that stuff on eBay. There'll be a link in the description to each item if you're interested. Amazing products. I don't think I've ever listed so much carbon fibre in one go. So I've got some videos lined up for the weekend for you, and we're not back doing daily diary until next Tuesday evening. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you have, thank you. Big favour to ask, click the notification bell, and please share our videos. We want to show the world that it's not all about buying new, you can recycle. So please share your videos, or share our videos with your friends who you think might be interested. Have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week.